Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use 3 ingredients to improve hair growth and fight against hair loss. So stay tuned. So to make this remedy, I'll be making use of 1 tablespoon of clove seed. Clove seed will help to stimulate hair growth, prevent hair loss, and nourish your roots and scalp. So I'm going to be adding 1 tablespoon of clove seed into the pot. I'll be making use of 3 bay leaves. Bay leaves will help to boost hair growth, get rid of dandruff, to help to strengthen the hair follicles. I will add the bay leaf into the pot. Here I have rosemary, which I've already washed, so I'm going to be adding the rosemary into the pot. Leaves will help to fight scalp problem, stimulate hair growth, and reduce hair loss. I'll be adding enough water, then I'll allow to boil for about 10 minutes. So after about 10 minutes, I will remove from the heat and allow to cool. So I'm going to strain to get the liquid. This hair tea smells so lovely. Applying this mixture or hair tea to your hair will help to cleanse any buildup in your scalp so that your hair can grow and reduce hair loss. I'll be pouring the liquid into an application bottle for easy application. For this hair tea, if you are not going to finish it, you can decide to freeze it for further use. So you need to apply this on a clean washed hair. Spray it on the hair, making sure that it touches the scalp, all the strands of the hair. Then you can massage it and leave it for about 30 minutes or 1 hour. You can now rinse out with water, then moisturize your hair. I hope that this video is helpful. Thank you all for watching.